Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2014 Kawasaki Vaquero. Now, this bike comes with a 1700cc V-twin fuel-injected liquid-cooled motor backed by a 6-speed overdrive transmission. And this motor puts out some good power and torque. Puts out about 108 foot-pounds of torque, 2,500 RPM. So we'll get you moving down the road. Got an upgraded dual exhaust, Vance & Hines. Gives that 1700 a good exhaust note. The Vaquero's got good body lines too. You got these long, big, swept saddlebags. Got your rear crash bars here. Nice big floorboards and pedals. Got your engine guard up here if you want to put a set of highway pegs on there. Got the painted black forks, the black wheels. It's just a tough looking bike. It's got ABS brakes. Got some rock chips here on the front fender. Got a nice tire here on the front, a lot of tread left. Shorty tinted windshield. Looks like somebody upgraded the mirrors. Pretty cool looking. You also got a mount here for your phone. Looks like you got a small 1 or 2 rock chips here on the rear of the gas tank. Small scratch here on the saddlebag. Another rock chip here on the saddlebag. Shorty antenna. Nice tire on the rear to match the front. Looks like a Michelin tire. Got a small rock chip here on the rear fender. Some normal wear. I don't see any signs of abuse. See how many miles this 14 Vaquero's got. Looking at 18,546 miles. I'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear those Vance & Hines pipes. Starts right up. This bike has been through our service shop, so it's ready to ride. Revs up nice and clean. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.